All right, we got the rods torqued down. Intake is where we're at right now. We're trying to get this thing to get the gaskets to line up. I've always sucked at doing my own intake gaskets. Not gonna lie. Normally I have my brother do it, and he's busy. Super busy, I should say. So, I guess I gotta figure it out myself. But there ain't nothing to it but to do it. Alright, so we tried to lay a little bead down to try to get this thing to tack up. So we can get these to tack up right. Because if I can get that part right, we'll have us a pretty good sealed motor. Alright, so we got the thing tacked up right around this side. We're going to let it sit here for a little bit. And then we're going to pull off, see how it looks. So give me just a second. Yep, so we're looking good. Don't necessarily like how this side is lining up, so we're going to try to adjust it a little bit. So what we're doing is we're taking these scissors right here. We're trimming off. You can see, oh shit. We're trimming off the excess. Let me see. All right, so you see how on this one, right here, how it has that little lip right there, stopping me from lining these intake ports up. So what we're doing is we're taking these scissors, some little toenail scissors, and we're trimming up the gasket so we can get a more flush seating. Because right now, this ain't it. Like, I would seal it up like this, but just the fact of me knowing that I'm not getting my full airflow on some heads that already doesn't do good on airflow, it just doesn't sit right with me. I gotta, you gotta take off a little more. So see, we're just gonna take this thing, just gonna trim her up just a little bit. Bam, like that. See, gasket's still fine. We're gonna get that little lip right here. Bring her back up, bring it around. Sigh. And it's gone. Now we got more of a flush fit. One more side. And bam. After that little trim up right there, now we can get these puppies to sit down even more flush. A little bit further down. Probably gotta take this one back a little more. Like a tad. Yeah, probably gotta take that one back a little more. Because I need all the air I can get out these heads. That looks about alright. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now we're going to throw a little bit more tack on there, on this other side. Just to make sure when we set this intake down, it doesn't move and we'll be all good. Then we can seal this baby up, go home, then possibly start it up during the week. See how this plays out. We'll see how the week plays out. Right, then after I do it all, I think I just gotta put some around these edges right here. Like around the edges, make sure it's sealed right around there. And we should be pretty much golden. So we're gonna let this tack up a little bit. And I'll be right back again. Okay, we did a little test fit. We got it. This is the first time I ever got it. But now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna lay a bead right along these across the top to make sure we got a good seal on the top side. But I'm not a professional. I'm just a guy trying to do my own work. The guy that normally would do this for me, he is busy. He's too busy for me. He ain't trying to help me. Give her a little wipe. Because if this stuff falls back in your motor, you could potentially clog some stuff or get broke down and sped out, but you don't want to chance it. So if you got any excess that rolled over to the inside of your motor, make sure you get that out. Yeah, we're just getting all the excess out of right there. The distributor in there too. You know, brand new. I do need to upgrade my pump gear. All right, let's try to sit this thing on. Let's get her lined up. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. I think I could use a little more silicone on this side, probably like from here this way. Front looks golden though. Yeah, front looks good. So, test fit done. Oops. Test fit done though. Gotta sit this down. Okay, so we're just gonna lay some more down. And we're gonna seal her up. We're gonna put some in these little edges right here. Make sure that we're good. See the little corners right there. Then we're gonna lay some more for this side. Cause I did not like how the seal looked over here. Little something. All right, let's slap this intake on here so we can get ready to go. It's getting dark and cold. All right, here we go. Bam. And we got a seal. I just need to bolt her down. Got it right here. Told you I'm not the best, but yeah, she's sealed right there. She's sealed. Come around to the other side. Let me move this. Seal. All the corners. We sealed up. Now we're just gonna bolt these things down. Hopefully these bolt holes are lined up so I ain't gotta wiggle this stuff all around. So just a second, let me get all these bolts. So we got the bolts, and then we just need to install them. And I'm getting pretty tired, so bam. So now that we got these installed, we just need to torque them down now. Bam. Sun's all gone, but we got the intake on. What time we come tomorrow? Should be tacked up. So we got these torqued down, we got the intake torqued down. That's all done. Just need to make sure that these heads are fully torqued. Torque down this, and then add all the little remedies up top. Give that about a day or two, because it'd be cold out here, and we'll be golden. I think I even got that crack a little good. But she's sealed up. Now we just gotta, I'm missing this boat, and this boat. But now we just need to put all the little stuff on. Plug up some of these plugs. I'm gonna take the carburetor off of that one, throw it on here.